Good morning, KLGR. Good morning, KLGR viewers. I'm KLGR Farm Director Scott Colomb. Here's a look at your egg headlines and a market update for this Wednesday, February 1st. First in egg headlines, the average price received by farmers for corn during December in Minnesota was $6.34 a bushel. That's according to the latest egg prices report. That is up 6 cents on November and up $1.12 on December of 2021. Meanwhile, the December average price received by farmers for soybeans was $14.50 per bushel, up 70 cents on the month and $2 on the year. The December average spring wheat price was $9.55 a bushel, up 3 cents on the month and 96 cents on the year. The all hay price in Minnesota averaged $157 per ton, down $2 on the month and down $20 on the year. Meanwhile, the average price for milk was $14.80 per hundredweight, down 40 cents on the month, but up $3.30 on the year. And the prices received for milk cows for dairy herd replacement averaged $1,560 per head, again as of January 1st. U.S. Trade Representative Catherine Tai yesterday announced the second dispute settlement panel under the U.S.-Mexico-Canada agreement regarding Canada's dairy tariff rate quota allocation measures. The U.S. is challenging Canada's revised dairy TRQ allocation measures that use a market share approach for determining TRQ allocations, and through the measures, Canada undermines the market access it agreed to provide in the USMCA, according to the USTR. Ambassador Tai stated, quote, "Although the United States won a previous USMCA dispute on Canada's dairy TRQ allocation policies, the Canadian government's revised measures have not fixed the problem," end quote. Meanwhile, the National Milk Producers Federation Jim Mulhern responded, saying, quote, "USTR's actions is an important step in righting this wrong and sending a message that the U.S. will fight violations of trade deals in Canada and wherever else they may be committed," end quote. If the panel confirms that Canada has violated its obligations under USMCA, the U.S. would be granted the right to impose retaliatory duties. And the U.S. Department of Agriculture on Tuesday launched the Cattle Contract Library Pilot Program. USDA says the pilot library will provide new disclosure to the industry and public regarding the key terms, conditions, and volumes under which cattle are contracted. The Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2022 directed USDA to create a pilot library to increase market transparency for cattle producers. The library will have the same look and feel as the working library model that was developed and shared with stakeholders last year, but will now be populated with information from active contracts. The initial release of the library will allow users to browse a range of terms and information contained in active contracts used to purchase fed cattle. National Cattlemen's Beef Association's Government Affairs Director Tanner Byerman stated, quote, "We have been looking forward to the launch of the Cattle Contract Library Pilot Program and will review the product to determine if its current format provides value to cattle producers," end quote. That's Look at Egg headlines this morning here on KLGR. Taking a look at market updates. March corn's down 2.5 at $6.77 and a quarter. December, meanwhile, up 1.5 at $5.92 and a quarter. March soybeans are down 1.25 at $15.36 and 3/4. November's up 2.25 at $13.65 and a quarter. Chicago, March wheat down 3/4 at $7.60 and a half, while July is down 1/4 at $7.71 even. Minneapolis, March spring wheat's up 1/2 at $9.22 and 3/4. July is down 4.5 at $9.06 even. Kansas, March red wheat up 3/4 at $8.79 and a half, while July is up 1/4 at $8.63 and 3/4. March oats are up 1/2 at $3.94 and a half. July unchanged at $3.86 and a half. March soybean meal is up 80 cents at $485 even. December up $1.90 at $396.20. March soybean oil down 8 cents at 62 1/4. December down 16 cents at 60.59. On the livestock markets, February live cattle closed yesterday up a dime and opens today at $158.85. June closed down 32.5 cents. It opens today at $159.15. February lean hogs closed down 27.5 cents and opens today at $74.87.5, while May closed up 40 cents and opens today at $95.42.5. March feeder cattle closed yesterday up $2, 22.5 cents. It opens today at $186.15. May closed up at $1.25 and opens today at $193, 97.5 cents. February pork cutouts closed yesterday down 17.5 cents and opens today at 82 3/4. May closed up a dime and opens today at $101, 27.5 cents. On the Class 3 milk futures, February's unchanged at $17.84. April down 3 cents at $17.84. And that's a look at egg headlines and a market update here on KLGR. Egg news online at myklgr.com. I'm KLGR Farm Director Scott Colomb saying thanks for watching.